Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banking, specifically the fees associated with transferring money through Qonto. We all know the frustration of sending money, only to discover a surprise fee hidden in the fine print. So, before you hit that send button, let's break down exactly how much those Qonto transfers will cost you. Free transfers? Not quite, but almost. Qonto actually advertises itself as having no transaction fees. That sounds great, right? Well, there's a bit of a twist. This applies to transfers within the SEPA zone, which basically covers most of Europe. So, for everyday transactions within the Eurozone, you're in the clear. However, things get a little more complicated when you venture outside the SEPA zone, or if you're dealing in international currencies. Here's where those hidden fees can creep in. International transfers, brace yourself for SWIFT. For international transfers, Qonto utilizes the SWIFT network. It's a reliable system, but it comes with its own set of charges. There are two main fees to consider. Fixed fee. Qonto charges a flat €5 fee on top of your transfer amount for every single SWIFT transfer received, regardless of the amount. Variable fee. This one can sting a bit more. It's a currency conversion fee applied whenever your transfer involves exchanging currencies. Qonto uses a correspondent bank for this, and their fee is estimated to be around 2% of the interbank exchange rate. This means the exact cost can fluctuate depending on the date, transfer amount, and currencies involved. Sharing the burden, understanding transfer options. There's a little more to the story when it comes to receiving international transfers. The sender actually has some control over the fees through something called transfer instructions. These determine who pays the various costs associated with the transfer. Our charges. This option is the most sender-friendly, as they shoulder all the fees, Qonto's €5 fixed fee and the currency conversion fee. SHA, shared. This splits the fees between you, the receiver, and the sender. Not a bad option if you want to share the burden. Beneficiary. Here, you, the receiver, are on the hook for all the fees. This is the least sender-friendly option, so be sure to communicate clearly if you expect them to cover some of the costs. The bottom line, plan ahead and communicate clearly. So, how much are Qonto transfer fees? It depends. For SEPA zone transfers, they're practically non-existent. But for international transfers, factor in the €5 fixed fee and the variable currency conversion cost. Remember, the sender can also influence the fees through transfer instructions, so communication is key. Pro tip, if you anticipate frequent international transfers, it might be worth exploring Qonto's pricing plans. Some higher tiers offer a slightly reduced variable fee for currency conversion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.